20 years ago in South Korea, there were so much of indebtedness and problems. But how they overcame is really interesting. The people itself contributed their assets and money, like in terms of jewelry and stuff, to the government to remove the indebtedness and
Okay.
poverty and stuff. And
Definitely.
now
Okay,
that's
so I got that question. So simply, speaking, so for the construction of the Singapore economy also, the same thing happened. Singapore, all right. Okay, so don't think that India is a country where people are they're not helpful to the government. Okay, first of all, the ruling party or the government wanted to create a faith in the minds of the people. Clear or not? They can do it for us. They will solve all our problems. The government is the only hope for we people. Clear or not? No other individual or no other institutions are present to help us in this situation. And it is our responsibility of each and every individual to support the government. Okay, that sense created by the government or the circumstances that existing in that particular society, definitely people will support. Okay, so just before 2 weeks, you had or you read a news in the newspaper that particular baby, he's bedridden because of one particular term is there for that disease, muscular arthrosis or something like that. I forgot that. Okay, so it's a what is it, medicinal or medical term. Okay, I cannot, I am unable to reproduce that. Okay, for that particular disease, that baby, he need a vaccine cost rupees 18 crore. Clear? Clear. So that family and their neighborhood and even their panchayat is unable to help. Even the state government also unable to help them. Right? The state government or the central government can reduce the taxes on that medicine. They can do it, but not right. Clear. That is what happened. Our population is nearly 3.5 crore. It is right in Kerala. So within 1 week, we generate that amount. Okay, we donated that together. Clear or not? Clear or not? 18 crore. So if it's a need, okay, definitely the people will unite. People will unite there. That is one reality. Clear or not? Not only that, government want to create a faith in the minds of people. I told that. Most of the Indian governments are a failure in that. Clear or not? But the time of national movement, okay, number of women, they donated their ornaments, their jewelry to the national leaders. Why? They know that this is the only hope from escape. Okay, from escape, not from the British. Escape from the British, not just from escape. Escape from whom? The British. Only hope. So they donated. They donated. Clear or not? Okay. So history says it. History says that. But today we will not do that. Okay, we are not interested to do so. Okay, so in the last that the flood of 1918, sorry, not 1918, 2018. I'm still in 20th century. Okay, 2018. Okay, we have witnessed that, right? Right? That a number of people donated to the CM's disaster fund, right? Chief Minister's disaster fund. Okay, clear or not? Many people, some people, some kids, they broke their piggy banks. Okay, and they donated all those money. Some people sold their cycle. Okay, an old lady from Malappuram or Kasaragod, I think that she sold her sheep, goats, and donated the money to whom that particular fund called the Chief Minister's Disaster Fund. All right, clear. Okay, after that we learned that, we listened that Chief Minister and the group of people, they spend that money for some other purpose. Again, anyone will donate. Anybody will donate. No one will do that. Clear. So government want to win the hearts of the people. Clear or not? Or a leader want to win the heart of the people. So morning 3:30, the fans of Mohanlal, Mammootty, Vijay, what do you can say? Who's that? Vikram or Ajit. Okay, they are going to film theaters to see the first day, first show. Okay, first day, first show. Okay, FDFS. Okay, common usage is there. First day, first show. Morning 3:30, they will go. Fan show is there. Why they are going? their faith and belief or love toward that particular actor. Like the leaders also are there, right? So people will do for them. People will give their blood for them, right? So Netaji asked once, give me your blood and I will give you the freedom. Thousands of people they joined in the Indian National Army, INA. Why? They are believing that leader. They believed that leader. Okay, if our leaders of today or the modern India, if they asking, give us your blood, we will give you that, and this means we will give or not. Definitely we will not. Today also the price of the petrol is increased for 37 paise. Do you know that? For the last 1 year, nearly 45 times the price of the petrol is hiking, diesel is hiking. Then how can we trust the government? Anybody will? Never. That's what I said, yeah. Okay, but not only the real world, what the real world know, it is just cooked up stories. Clear or not? Cooked up stories in the means we can cook history, right? We can cook history. We can write it. We can, what you can say, manipulate data. Clear or not? Definitely, the individual can do that. Clear? You can write, so and so, my grandfather told like this to me that this person is so and so. Okay, so any authenticity is that for that? No. But 1,000 of times, that particular term is repeatedly saying by thousands of people, it will become a reality. Clear or not? That's what the world today. Clear? We are very far from the reality. Okay, let it be. Ashish Binny looking at me or staring at me. What this man is saying in the early morning? No idea about this. Okay, Ashish. It is something serious. Okay? Okay, let it be. So I think I should ask doubt is cleared. Okay, anyway, this kind of questions are good one, and it is good for debate, constructive criticism. Okay, clear or not? Not just criticizing. Okay, criticism with solutions. Clear or not? We can criticize. Should not do that. Okay, someone will say should not do that, but they cannot say that why it is so. Okay, any other remedies are there for it? Any other solutions are there for it? Okay, tell me along with that. Okay, so scientifically we can do that. Not simply criticizing, we are criticizing with a solution. Clear or not? Understand? Okay, so don't do like this, do like this. Clear or not? That's it. Okay, so number of, basically North Korea, we cannot say that that country is developed or something like that, Syria. It is just that country's government and administration is behind an iron curtain. Okay, we don't know what is going on.
I told about South, not North.
South Korea is developing because number of multinational companies are there to support their economy. Right or not? Example, Samsung is such kind of a company. Clear or not? Like that. Various companies are there. Not only they are receiving number of aids from foreign countries. Okay, basically they are receiving help from the countries. They are the enemies of North Korea. Clear or not? So it is the responsibility of those countries to develop South Korea, to establish their military weapons and everything in South Korea against the North one. Clear or not? So why America is supporting Pakistan? Why America helping Pakistan? Why China helping Pakistan? Because it's our common enemy, right or not? Okay, that's what their attitude. Okay, clear or not? So India is a country with rich resources that is not used by the governments of India. Clear or not? That means the resources we have in our country, but unknown. It is hidden. Okay, we are not using the sophisticated technology to reveal or unearth these things there. Clear? That many resources are there in our country. Okay, if you are going to dig there, a number of activists will say that okay, it is against the tribal life, it is against the environment, it is against that, it is against this. Program done, finished. Or a caste group will come and say that this is the graveyard of our ancestors, should not dig there. Okay, ancestor in the 19th century, it's not 19th century, maybe 10th century, 12th century, some dead bodies were cremated there. That's what saying what our ancestors crematorium. Okay, it is the graveyard of our ancestors. It is the culture of us. It is the tradition of we people. No, we can't do anything there, right or not? Okay, that's a problem of our country. Resources are there. Okay, but the Chinese government utilized those resources. That's the reason why they developed. Clear or not? They utilize the resources. Okay, so they utilize the water resources by protecting them. In India, what is the situation? Ganga is the holy river, the mother of we people, right? Okay, all the water bodies are giving life. Okay, for agricultural products. Okay, for developing economy. The main role is there for the rivers also. But in India, almost all the drainage pipes are leading to the river. Okay, almost all the toilets in the river, near the banks of the river, people will not construct a septic tanks, they will save the money by just keeping a outlet pipe to the river. Understand? That's what our country. People are uneducated, people are illiterate, there is no social responsibility. Clear? As a result of that, our country is facing this kind of problems. Okay, if you are utilizing these things properly, we can achieve development like anything. No other country will be there in the world to question the power of India. But our administration, our social setup, our caste system, our religious constraints or restrictions that creating all these problems. We are not free from that. Okay, if you are thinking also, you are unable to escape from that. Clear? So in the childhood onwards, we learned something, this kind of myths, unwanted things. And still we are believing in that and we will continue it. It's not, such kind of things are not helpful for achieving development. Okay, let it be. Okay, so I am not a rebel or an Excel ideologist or a communist ideologist or something like that. This is the reality I told you people, right? Clear or not? So don't say the Sar told you like this, so we have to do this. No, not like that. Okay, I am not a person to insist you to do this, do that or something like that. This is the condition, just analyzing the situation. I told this is the thing. And it is up to you people what to follow, what to believe, right or not? Clear or not? So just imagine a small kid of 6 month age, he is or she is abandoned by the parents in a train. Okay, so a 6 month old child, okay, she or he was abandoned in a train. Remember one thing, these her parents or his parents are Hindus. Clear? This example, Hindus. And that kid was rescued by a Christian family and adopted him or her into their family. Okay, and allow that baby to live together with that family. What will be the religion of that kid? What will be the religion of that kid? Tell me now.
Christianity.
Christian. So where is the religion? How can we recognize that? Impossible, right or not? Okay, no, not possible. So if you are asking to a Hindu, who is your God? He will say that Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, okay, something like that. And asking to what about Lord Jesus or Lord Allah? He will say that I am not believing in that. They are not the God of our religion, right or not? We ask him to Christian, he will say that I am believing in Lord Jesus. Okay, Lord Jesus, all right? Jesus is the Son of God, right? The real God is somewhere, right? Yes or no? If you ask any Christians, they will say that, right? The Son of God, right? Right or not? Jesus. He is the God or he is the Son of the God? Tell me. Tell me, Elvina. Who is Jesus? Huh? Son of God, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Malayalam will say, Deva Putran. Okay, the Son of the God. The God is somewhere. Very powerful. So they are believing in that. So if asking to them, what about Vishnu, Lord Shiva, Allah, they will say that we are not believing in that. We are believing only in what? Jesus. So he or she believed in one and discarded the two, right? Asking to Muslims, they will say that Allah, that's what, or he's our God. Okay, we are not believing in other, what you can say, ideal worshippers or ideals like Vishnu, Shiva, or Jesus Christ or something like that. So these major religions, they are believing in one and discarding two, right? Believing in one, discarding two. So asking the same question to an atheist, no difference. Instead of discarding two, he is discarding three. That is the only difference. Understand? Asking to atheist, what is that? Instead of discarding two, he says that I am discarding all these three together. Then where is the God? Where is the... sorry, I am not the one who is teaching or discussing about such kind of things. It's a controversial issue there. So it's a part of politics too, because we are living in a society, right? So you have to understand. We should eradicate or wipe away such kind of religious feeling from our mindset. Then only we are able to live a good life in the society. Myself, I born in a Hindu family. Studied from KG to PG with Christian management institutions. Clear or not? Okay, morning will go to temple. Before I end the class, I will go to church also. Clear or not? So we don't know the difference between these gods or something like that. When I'm in school, I studied in Irinalakuda St. Mary's School there. So it is known as the Palli School. Okay, school by the Palli. I mean, school by the church. Okay, church school it is. Okay, so I will go there. We'll go to the most important shrine of the Christians in Irinalakuda, that is St. Thomas Cathedral. So I will go to the church, then only I will go to class. Okay, before going to church, you want to remember one thing that I am already told that I went to temple, right? So many things will be there on the forehead, right? No one will ask a question. Nobody will ask a question. Right, that's what I am happy with my village. There is no such kind of attitudes for anybody. Clear or not? All are welcome to everywhere. No such boards are existing. Clear or not? So not only this, if you are counting my friends, you are not going to count there. I counted already. Okay. In my friend list, it is Muslims. They are more in number comparing with any other religion. Clear or not? Muslim friends are there. So I know about all these religions and facts and like that, very things are there. But childhood onwards, you have to develop that attitude. What is that? We are Indians. Clear or not? We want to do something for the development of the country. If many people will be there to stop you people to do or do something like that, many are there. They will say about the religion, they will say about the caste, they will say about the groups, they will say about the politics. Okay, but more than that, one vision will be there. Okay, you have to develop our country. You have to think for it. Okay, forget it. I know that within half an hour you will forget what I told. Okay, then you will eat, you will sleep. That is a reality. Okay, I just told that only. Clear? So sometime in schools, some people will say, okay, we will come. What is that? Motivational speakers. They will motivate like anything, right or not? They will push us to somewhere, then they will take us to the Mount Everest. Okay, and will place you there. After these people move away from the school, we will forget what these people taught, what these people did. Okay, everything, it is like a line that drowned the water. Nothing will be there. Okay, so there is a negative saying is there basically. Okay, what the meaning of this motivation? So, if you want to see the highly motivated dead bodies, visit the Mount Everest, you can see that. Okay, so before climbing the Mount Everest, that many motivational classes are there. That many inspirations necessary to climb Mount Everest. But if you go there, what you can see? Hundreds of dead bodies are there. Highly motivated people, highly inspired people. Clear or not? So it is up to you people what to do, not to do. Clear? Or what to do, what not to do. All related with you people only. Nobody is able to help you. Clear? Okay, so where from we started? That would be the jewelry and ornament that donating by Indian mothers to the Indian national leaders, because there's a faith. There is a faith. Okay, that's it. Okay, come back. So we are here at Chinese economical development, right? Chinese economical development. Okay. So listen, I told you that I not used any time against any particular religion. So don't send anybody to kill me or this me or something like that. Okay, I am not a person like that. So I know that number of stories are there. Basically, so social studies teachers' life is in danger always. Okay, they will teach something. The kids will say to home the same thing, and the kids, the parents, and the entire community will come to school with a different kind of weapons and ask, "Where is that bloody teacher?" Definitely. Okay, basically in North India, not in Kerala. In Kerala also once happened that a particular a college professor, he prepared a question paper. In that question paper, a word he used, a group of people in one community interpreted that word as against that religion. Simply, they mutilated the hand of that particular lecturer. So life is not secure. Okay, I have a small kid also, so please. Okay, so come back everyone. Okay, so we are discussing about the chapter here. So what is that? Alternative centers of power, finally, the development of the Chinese economy. Okay, so I hope you wrote there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, right? Right? Last point, China followed its own path. You wrote that? Wrote that. Last point, please read, Alvina.
Privatization of agriculture 1982, and it was followed by privatization of industries in 1990.
1990. Okay, next sentence, next point. China followed its own path. Sorry, China followed its own path in introducing a market economy in introducing a market economy, So what is the market economy? Almost a capitalist one, where traders or the business personalities can fix the prices. That's what a market economy, right? Clear. Demand and supply of the good will fix the price. Demand and supply. Remembering last year economics, we studied that, right? A market economy and a regulated economy. Differences are there. So they started introducing a market economy. The Chinese did not go for a shock therapy. The Chinese did not go for a shock therapy. Shock therapy in the sense of a sudden change from socialism to capitalism. So we witnessed that, we observed that learning this first chapter. USSR did it, a shock therapy that created lots of problem in that country. So write down, the Chinese did not go for a shock therapy, SHOCK therapy, but opened their economy step by step. Okay, so opened their economy step by step. Okay, so understand that. What is that? What I told? There's not like it's shock therapy. All of a sudden they didn't open. So come back. So shock therapy in the sense all of a sudden changing from socialism to capitalism. Clear or not? So USSR did it. So they face the consequences of that. And China is not ready to repeat the same. So they opened their market step by step, allowed other countries to sell their product one by one or step by step in their economy. Okay. Next one, write down. The Chinese did not go to shock therapy, but opened their economy step by step. In China, the state played and continued to play a central role in setting up a market economy. Okay, so their economy is a market economy. Then also it is under the control of the state government or the government of the country. Okay, repeating that last sentence. In China, the state played and continued to play a central role in setting up a market economy. Is that clear? Okay, so state controlled market economy. State intervention is a special case for China. Clear or not? Okay, so come back. I already told you that about the Jack Ma, right? So Jack Ma is a famous online trader. Okay, clear or not? Alibaba, I already told yesterday, Alibaba. Okay, so Jack Ma started criticizing the government related with the government's trade policies. Now, Jack Ma is in trouble, clear or not? Because government can't do anything. I don't know, nobody will ask, no question. So in Kerala also almost, it's not like Jack Ma's case, but almost like that. Okay, some other version also is there. Heard about the Kitex case, a conflict between the Kitex owner and the Kerala government, state government of Kerala. Okay, so finally, Kitex MD, he made an agreement with the Telangana government and he started shifting his production unit from Kerala to Telangana. Okay. So, clear. So, issues will be there with the government and this kind of people. Okay, so in Jack Ma's case, that happened in China. He started questioning the hegemony or the control of the government. So, government made strict actions against that particular online trader, and worth of his company is reduced. In share market, the company shares decreased, value of the shares decreased. Okay, clear or not? So we will study about what do you mean with the value of the shares and everything in economics again. Okay, next point. The new economic policies helped the Chinese economy helped the Chinese economy to break from stagnation. To break from stagnation. Sorry. To break from stagnation. Okay, next sentence. The Chinese economy, including both agriculture and industry, including both agriculture and industry, including both the agriculture and industries, grew at a faster rate, grew at a faster rate, grew at a faster rate, full stop. The new trending laws, not trending, trading, the new trading laws, I mistake in the note here. Okay, the new trading laws, trading, TRADING, trading laws, and the creation of special economic zones, and the creation of special economic zones, and the creation of special economic zones, bracket SEZ, okay, SEZ, special economic zones, led to a phenomenal rise of foreign trade, led to a phenomenal, PHENOMENAL, phenomenal rise of foreign trade. Don't write phenomena, phenomenal. Okay, spelling, repeating, PHENOMENAL, phenomenal rise of foreign trade. Okay, so we are discussing these 2 points there. Okay, so Chinese government, we know that because of a closed market economy, they faced a lot of problem. In the first phase after independence, its economy developed, but within 5 to 10 years, the economy stagnated. Clear or not? There is no more development for the economy because its market is not linked with other market. Okay, their main aim is to produce the product within the country and sell it within their country, right? Okay, clear or not? Production on the basis of demand. That's what the method, socialist method it is. How much product needed, they will produce that much, not more than that. Clear? But such kind of production will not help for the sudden growth or sudden development of any economy there. Okay, so for a short period of time, it is okay. It is okay. Example, if you have 1 acre of land, we are cultivating rice, we are cultivating vegetables. Okay, so we are consuming that. Clear or not? Clear or not? But after some years, fertility of the soil will reduce, right? Right? Production will decrease. Yes or no? Definitely. So we have to sell our product to purchase fertilizers, manuals or something like that, or other things that we needed that is not available in our field, right? Yes or no? So China also faced that problem. So they decided to open their economy for the international markets, right? But not like USSR. They opened all of a sudden. As a result of that, the economy faced lots of problem. The people faced lots of problem. So China learned a lesson from that shock therapy that happened in USSR. So China here, what they did, step by step, they opened their market for the international companies or other countries. Clear or not? As a result of that, what happened? Chinese economies, by step, the Chinese economy developed. Okay. And they made a market condition. What is that? What kind of economy is that? A market economy. Market economy where demand and supply will fix the prices. That also with the control of the government. Okay, they not letting them free, but they control the market condition. The government control the market condition. Okay, and they adopted new trade policies, new economical program and policies that improve the agricultural production and industrial production in China. Agriculture production and industrial production in China. So economy developed. Clear? And they made new trade policies. And what happened? Special economic zones and welcomed other countries to invest in China. Clear? Invest in China, foreign investment in China. So other countries are very happy to invest money in China. Why? Because in China, the value of resources are less. Comparing with other countries or foreign countries, basically European countries, the cost of production is low. Clear? Cheap labor is available in China. Cheap raw material is available in China. So all of a sudden, a number of European powers, they moved to China, invested money, Chinese economy developed. Clear or not? But now all these countries came to know about the crooked mindset of the Chinese government and they're shifting their industries from China to other countries, basically India. Okay, after China, the cheap labor availability, that's India, right or not? So they are moving to India. Yeah, so last month or before last month, I can say that Apple iPhone's new plant started in India. Okay, Samsung company's new plant started in India. International car companies are producing cars in India, right or not? Clear? So producing car in India means not Indian cars, that is foreign cars only, right or not? With the foreign technology, our technology using, so it will create problems for them. Okay, so they will use their technology and our labor. Okay, Indian technology is not that bad, very bad. Okay, for them, not for us. Okay, so they will not imitate any Indian technology. They will basically use their technology. So Indian technology are there. What is that? Indians invented a new machine. It can produce 600 chapatis in 1 hour. Indian technology. What is that? Good only, no? Please place the wheat dough into that machine. Okay, it will roll it. It will prepare the chapati, and in 1 hour 600 chapati. Technology is a good technology. And in 1 hour 400 dosas. Just keep the dosa batter in that machine, and it will produce the dosa itself. That's Indian technology. Okay, so we are not giving that much importance in research to find out new technologies also. Clear? Just try to copying the technology that used by the other countries. That's the problem they are facing in India. We are facing in India. Let it be. But we find the two vaccines, right? Covishield and Covaxin. There is no universal acceptance for that. Another thing. Why this Indian technology is too bad? So if you want to go to Middle East or in European countries, they will ask vaccinated certificates of vaccination. So if you we vaccinated, we saw the certificate, but the certificate one mentioning will be there. Okay, this person is vaccinated with Covishield or Covaxin, so they will not accept it. Why? They don't have any faith in our inventions. Is that correct? You people want to make a change in that. The world want to believe. Okay, the world want to keep faith on us. Okay, that day will come. Okay, so Elvina stop the video. So Elvina went to crying, I think so. Our country is facing this much of problem. Oh God, please help my country. Elvina, come back. Okay, so Elvina yesterday wrote that's right, unity of our country, right? We want that. So the people, those who not send that essay, please write it and send it by tomorrow. Okay, I know that the number of bucks are there for you people. I received from ICD also, I think so. Okay, but I don't know whether they will accept the printed material. If it is not so, I will give a chance for you people. Okay, Surya, printed material. Okay, so Elvina sir. Amal sent today, Grishma also sent today, okay? Grishma is thinking something. It is almost 12:40. Smell is coming from the kitchen. Huh? What is that? The fish fry? Chicken fry? Tell me, Grishma, what smell is that? Huh? She is showing all her, what do you say, the Great Wall of China. Okay, guys. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you. Bye. It was only one period, right? Okay, fine.